Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we'll be learning the very first and basic lesson of the Arabic alphabets. These are the singular alphabets. In this lesson, you will be learning the names and the shapes of the letters. I want you to practice after me and repeat after me. We'll start reading them now. Here you can see the letter, and here is its name in Arabic, and here is the name in English. So you need to focus on the letter, learn its name and its shape. We'll start reading them now. Alif, 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 ba, 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 ta, 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 tha, 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 جيم جيم ح ح ح خا 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 دال 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 ذال 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 را 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 زا 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 سين 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 شين 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 صاد 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 ضاد 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 طاء 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 ظاء 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 عين 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 غين 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 فاء 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 قاف 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 كاف كاف لام 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 ميم 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 نون 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 واو 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 ها 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 همزة 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 يا يا and ya. Again, this one is also ya. I want you to practice as much as you can, learn the names and the shapes of the letters, and then write them on the notebook from your memory, not from the book, and practice them. In the next lesson, we'll be learning different shapes of the letters when they are connected with each other. Okay, Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.